In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to ChatGPT, creating a seamless automation experience between these two powerful platforms. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the home page of Zapier. If you aren't logged in already, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice an assortment of tools and options that Zapier provides to help automate your workflows. Next, look for the option labeled App Connections. You can typically find this in the navigation menu, and it's where you'll manage all the applications linked to your Zapier account. Click on App Connections, and this will take you to a dashboard where you can see all your existing integrations. On the App Connections page, you'll see a button or link that says Add Connection. Click on this to begin the process of linking a new application to your Zapier account. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the name of the application you want to connect. In this case, you'll want to type ChatGPT. Typing in ChatGPT should bring up a few options, but you'll want to select ChatGPT, OpenAI. This ensures you're choosing the correct service provided by OpenAI. Once you've selected this option, go ahead and click on Add Connection again. You'll be prompted to connect your Zapier account to ChatGPT. This involves entering an API key that authenticates your access to ChatGPT's services. To do this, click on the prompt that appears. It might say Connect or Authenticate, depending on the version of Zapier you're using. At this point, you need to enter your API key. This is a unique identifier tied to your account with ChatGPT and is crucial for the integration to work. Be sure to copy and paste this key accurately to avoid any errors. If you're unsure where to find your API key, you can usually get it from the account settings of your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. After pasting in your API key, click on the button that says, Yes, continue to ChatGPT, OpenAI. This action confirms your connection, allowing Zapier to communicate with ChatGPT on your behalf. It's a security feature to ensure that only you can authorize the use of your AI models through Zapier. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Zapier to ChatGPT. This integration opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to automate various tasks where human-like language processing by ChatGPT can provide immense value. Whether you're creating content, responding to customer inquiries, or analyzing data, you now have the power of automation at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy automating,